Welcome to our next tutorial of QUICKSURFACE. Since version 1.0.58, we introduced in 2D sketching another command which is called outline mesh. Let's take a look at this example. Even if I try to create a sections here, if I go all the way down, it just extracts only this one, or if I go up, it's not exactly what I want. If I put it from top view, this is not the real and the boundaries of the mesh. So that's why what we introduce is the outlining mesh. What this will do, it will take the mesh as a solid and we'll try to extract the whole boundary of it. So you can place the plane wherever you want. You can put it at -20 if you want, somewhere in space. It doesn't really matter. It just takes the direction and extract the silhouette. The way it works, you just click the outline mesh. If I hide the mesh and put it on top view, you see that it outlines. Due to inaccuracy of the mesh, you may get some floating small pieces. So the way you control this is by using this small segments removal, and in this case, if I put it to 15, press enter, they will just disappear. In such a way, if I just take a look now, it's an actual outlining of the mesh. When you press OK, it just becomes a normal sketch where you can select and you can extract and reconstruct your primitives and commands in a normal way. I can just create an arc here. I can use the tolerance command to get the correct shape. I can modify it, and just as a normal sketch, this can be used for creating an extruded surface. And I press close, you get my extrusion here, and then you can export it for packaging purposes, for example. I hope this information is useful. Thank you.